We often get asked the question how to post-process cold metal fusion parts and what is special about it. And indeed there is a lot very special about it, and there are some quite unique propositions around the technology and the post-processing. Generally, a cold metal fusion part, when it is printed in an SLS printer, has a very similar surface characteristic as an SLS part. The part is not yet a metal part when it comes off the SLS printer, so it is a so-called green part, so metal particles bound together by a polymer at this stage, which allows us in this stage to post-process it in very different ways than a metal part. For example, we can blast a green part and get immediately and very quickly and cheaply a much better surface quality through that process. That then, of course, gives a good starting base for further process steps, for example, grinding or whatever other process might work for your application. But there's one thing that is a particular strong point, and it is the green parts from cold metal fusion are so strong that they can actually be clamped onto a machining center and can be machined. And so this is an even stronger point when you look at materials that are very hard to machine, like Inconel or titanium. And here in this green part stage, you can mill them very easily, and you can get very fine details and very smooth surfaces very quickly and cheaply, which then carries through the sintering process into the metal part. And of course, there is much more to post-processing than this. If you have further questions, please reach out.